Okay, good evening, guys. Tonight I want to tell you what's the benefits of GitHub for learning. First, I want to introduce myself. My name is Hendra Saputra. I'm from Informatics A with student ID number 3311911019. Okay, let's start. Let's start the first slide. What is GitHub? GitHub is a hosting site where developers and programmers can upload the code they create and work collaboratively to improve it. A defining feature of GitHub is its robust version control systems. The version control lets coders tweak software, potentially fixing bugs or improving efficiency. So without affecting the software itself or risking the experience of any current users. Proposed change can be easily merged into the live software after the proposals are reviewed and approved. Okay, I want to tell you how GitHub works. Of the many features offered by GitHub, three of the most consequential include forking, pull requests, and merging. Forking a project creates a copy that allows you to experiment freely without affecting the original project. When you are happy with the change you've made, you can submit a pull request. The pull request is sent to the project owner who can review the change you've made and ask any follow-up questions. If the project owner likes the change, they'll merge your pull request, which applies the change for your forked project to the original code. Okay, so what are the main benefits of using GitHub? First, it makes it easy to contribute to your open source projects. So to be honest, nearly every open source project use GitHub to manage their project. Using GitHub is free if your project is open source and includes a wiki and issues tracker that makes it easy to include more in-depth documentation and get feedback about your project. If you want to contribute, you just fork a project, make your change, and then send them a pull request using GitHub web interface. The second, it's for documentation. So by using GitHub, you make it easier to get excellent documentation. There are help section and guides have articles for nearly any topic related to Git that you can think of. The third, showcase your work. So are you a developer and wishes to attract recruiters? So GitHub is the best tool you can rely on for this. Today, when searching for new recruits for their project, most companies look into the GitHub profiles. If your profile is available, you will have a higher chance of being recruited, even if you are not from a great university college. Four benefits of GitHub is Markdown. Markdown allows you to use a simple text editor to write formatted documents. GitHub has revolutionized writing by channeling everything through Markdown, from the issue tracker, user comments, and everything. With so many other programming language to learn for setting up projects. It's really a big benefit to have your content input in a format without having to learn yet another system. 5. GitHub is a repository. So this was already mentioned before, but it's important to note. GitHub is a repository. What this means that it allows your work to get out here in front of the public. Moreover, GitHub is one of the largest coding communities around right now. So it's wide exposure for your project. 6. GitHub benefits is track change in your code across version. When multiple people collaborate on a project, it's hard to keep track for revisions, who changed what, when, and where those files are stored. GitHub takes care of this problem by keeping track of all the changes that have been pushed to the repository. Much like using Microsoft Word or Google Drive, you can have a version history of your code so that previous versions are not lost with every intention. And the last GitHub benefits is integration options. GitHub can integrate with common platforms such as Amazon and Google Cloud service such as a code climate to track your feedback and can highlight syntax in over 200 digits programming language. So That's all about benefits of GitHub. Uh, if you want to learn GitHub, you can go to the link. It's github.com. And thanks for your attention. Thank you.